Hey y'all, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about everything Hbar, really understanding what's happening with the price of Hbar and what we could be expecting going into a brand new week. So looking across the market, if you're looking at it from, the 24-hour perspective, some coins are up, but, majority of the market is down in red. Hbar, down about 1% to be exact. Over the last 1 hour, though, you are seeing the market kind of going back in, the green. But in terms of getting excited, we still need to obviously look for more confirmations. But, as far as the price of Hbar is concerned, 23.6 cents, down 1.1% in USD and Bitcoin comparative. Market cap, holding above 9 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about 262.6 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So what we're looking at right now, with the dominance index, and again, if you watch my XCN update, if you watch my XRP update a few hours ago, you guys are familiar as to what's really happening. Well, you can see the dominance is picking up yet again. So a lot of manipulation occurring within the crypto markets. The leverage positions are literally getting wiped out right now, because just take a look at what's happening, up and down. And just yesterday we saw a massive retrace for the dominance. It's pretty much picking up like it never left. And right now you're seeing the dominance kind of get rejected at the 61.8%. But the way it's going, I would not be surprised if dominance starts heading up to that 62.13% once again. So with that said, let's really take a look at what's happening with Bitcoin right now. So if you're looking at Bitcoin's price right now, Bitcoin definitely has seen a little bit of a bounce. We did see retest down to $94,812, a few hours ago, but the market is bouncing since then. But right now, we're far away from where we need to be. Again, speaking about confirmation, you want to see the price of Bitcoin making its way back above $98,000 key resistance and actually staying above there. We've seen several different retests above the 98K mark, but every single time it has been a rejection. So, showing us weakness, within Bitcoin price. And of course, now there's a lot of other things that we need to keep an eye out on, especially the tariffs that, are getting talked about once again. So are we about to see a market flush this time around, possibly going below 23.6? That's not what you want to see happen for the crypto markets, especially for Bitcoin, but it's looking like, that might be the case if we drop below the 23.6 fib zone. So of course, I'll keep you guys covered, but let's really analyze and take a look at what's happening with Hbar's price right now, as we are obviously going into Monday morning. So I'm going to shift my focus out here on the hourly time frame and really show you guys what we're looking at. So here we are, hourly time frame, and you can see this for yourself. We actually retested the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. We spoke about this. I was talking to you guys about the potential of us retesting this, and we actually retested, down to about 22 cents. But we did see a massive, bounce since then. So again, if you want to put this into perspective, we did see a bounce of about 7.25% for, Hbar. Again, nice to see, of course, but we're far away from where we really need to be. I want to see the price of Hbar sitting, at this 27 cents above this key resistance. I've told you guys the importance of this consolidation range, and if you are an Hbar holder, you want the Hbar price sitting above that key range. But right now, obviously the 61.8 did play out as a level of support, as to be expected, and as we are breaking towards the upside, remember these wicks, they obviously got supported by the previous cycle levels, and you could really see this for yourself. That exact same level is really coming in our way as a little bit of a hurdle, major resistance for the price. And again, if this is able to break out, I do believe 25 to 26 cents could be reclaimed quite fast. So as of now, of course, we're still in the 61.8, not bad. But you don't want to see the price dropping below, because if it does, as I've stated to you guys before, the potential of us falling down to that 17 cents price point, possibly even the 15.5 cents, is still on the table. I know no one really wants to hear this. People want to hear more bullish price action. People want to see the prices start going into the 23.6 fib zone and start heading towards all-time highs. But we cannot ignore other factors. And right now, we are seeing the market kind of in the uncertainty zone. And speaking about uncertainty, and in terms of retail interest, retail interest is not there as it was 3 months ago. The retail FOMO factor that we were getting, the retail eyes that we were getting back in November, are nowhere near, to what it is right now. So That tells you everything you need to know. Obviously, the people that are still here to this day are the ones that believe in crypto, that understand crypto, that understand that due diligence, research, and investing where you can afford to lose is very important. And of course, patience at the end of the day is what's going to really get you, somewhere. Because people that chase green candles, trust me, are not going to make it. And because just if you're chasing green candles and having unrealistic expectations on the markets, that would really not sit well with a lot of people, because a lot of people have come into the market thinking crypto might be just an instant way of becoming very successful, but that's not the case, right? Because if it was, everyone would be doing it, and that's just something I want you guys to keep in mind. But as of now, even though we did get supported by the 61.8, I still do believe we're at some very, very key levels, and we want to see the 61.8 hold. If not, I still do believe 17.7 cents is a level that we need to be kind of mentally prepared for. But let me know down below what you guys think right now. What are your personal predictions on HBAR's price in the upcoming weeks? Thank you for all your support. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.